What's going on? I'm here in Rio Grande, Puerto Rico. About to get on a UTV, which is like an ATV, just a little bit bigger. This is what I learned. It's a tour here at the base of the Yunque Rainforest here in Puerto Rico. And I'm going to do some off-roading. So it's pretty fun. It's starting to rain out here. It's going to rain. It's at the foot of a rainforest. It is a rainforest. Right behind me, you see the rainforest. So it's going to do quite a bit of raining. I'm going to get really wet, but it's cool. Not a big deal, not a big issue. I got to change the clothes here. But looking to have some fun off-road. I've never done this before, so it should be pretty cool. And I'm going to check it out. Yeah, straight ahead to me? Yeah, it is. What's up? Now, I'm here on a UTV, about to take this tour at the Rainforest Hill, the Yunque Rainforest here in Rio Grande, Puerto Rico. This should be pretty good. It's about an hour or so. And we're about to take off, and hopefully it'll be pretty good. Gotta wear your helmet. Be prepared for that. I have a poncho on, even though I probably don't need it because there's a roof to the UTV.
Probably still need it.
May or may not need it, I don't know. I have a white shirt on, so I probably will get a little dirty today, but it's cool. But we're gonna check out the rainforest. It stopped raining for now, but it's a rainforest, so of course it's gonna rain on and off throughout the day. Not a big deal. It's what you gotta expect when you're out here. See ya on the trail. So what's up? I'm out here at the rainforest, you know what I'm saying? It started pouring out here. And even though there's a slight roof, you still get wet. So something you gotta be prepared about, you know what I'm saying?
La Nina up there can't drive, and she crashed into the wall when she was going straight. So we stuck in the middle of the rainforest waiting for her to get out of the hole.
All right, so we're at our first stop here in the rainforest, ATV UTV trek, and it's a beautiful scenery here in the Yunque Rainforest here in Puerto Rico, on the east part of the island. And we're just here taking a brief break and about to hop back on the whip and go through the area. All right. So one thing you gotta know when you ride the ATVs in the rainforest is that you definitely will get muddy. So make sure, especially now with COVID, that you got an extra mask because your mask is going to get muddy. Be prepared for that. I got mud in my mouth. All right, we're here at our second stop here at the ATV Adventures. Second stop, really just get a restroom break, or if you want to get something to drink on the way. You see they got some of the horses back here because some people are doing horse riding here in the rainforest. It's pouring out here, and as you can see, got mud on my shirt. It's all good, it's all good. But I'm ready to get back and get to riding, you know what I'm saying? All right. So the rain is really picking up here right now. Crazy. But again, it's the rainforest. It just happens in the rainforest. Woo! Whoa! All right, so we just got done with the ATV adventure here, and my shirt is completely muddy, so I would recommend you probably put a poncho on or something, a jacket, I don't know.
Wear the water shoes that they...
Yeah, they bring some water shoes.
Something that you can throw away.
Something, because goodness gracious, I hope this comes out. I mean, got mud on my arm. That's cool. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. All right.